Well, this is what we call a mobile exchange on wheel, or MEOW in short. In the event of an exchange-wide disaster, for example, a fire or an earthquake that takes down a whole exchange, you can basically just plonk it anywhere and the way it goes.
Cyclone Gabrielle demonstrated the need for this system outright. This unit could be deployed from either the North or South Island, and we would go about starting to hook up the power and the fibre connections to the unit.
The point of the structure is it's almost indestructible. Where we had severe weather events, a structure like this should be able to get deployed into those environments fairly easily. You can just wheel the system in and then just make your connections to the system and basically start it up and start supporting people and communities.
When we're looking at resilience, often people say it's not here today, so it doesn't matter in the future, but we do need to continue to improve for an always-on network.
For us, it takes the form of a mobile exchange or an exchange on wheels. So what we've got now is an ability to deploy very quickly an exchange that is self-contained.
And by delivering projects like this with Chorus is to demonstrate to the New Zealand industry that resiliency can be built into our infrastructure, our critical infrastructure such as communications, in a way which is both sustainable, innovative and reliable.
The whole industry comes together in a crisis, to be fair. So we're good in that, but having this capability means that we can respond really quickly, which means that service comes back on for our customers, which is what we're all about, right?
When the event happens, we are more prepared. We are able to react and we are able to continue delivering services to our end customer. A big requirement that's only going to grow within the New Zealand and global context because of the changing environment around us.
Internet connectivity is like another utility for us, like water and power. Not just personal lives, but also for businesses as well.
Can't wait to see how the industry reacts and how they would perhaps follow the lead that Chorus has taken on this. Pride probably doesn't go far enough to describe how we're feeling about our internal team right now, because they have really delivered something that's world class.